friends.
Let's do something different today. Avnish, what will you do today?
I will make 2 dishes in non-fire cooking.
Okay.
I will make fruit salad. I am using apple, grapes, banana, mango, watermelon and some chaat masala. I will put everything in bowl.
Okay.
I'll mix some chaat masala. Mix everything. Mix once. Yummy! Yummy! Friends, try this fruit salad at home. Now I will make Bhel Puri. I will use puffed rice mixture, boiled potato, onion, tomato, homemade chutney and pinch of salt. Now I'll put everything in big bowl. I will put pinch of salt and mix everything. Yummy! Please make it at home. Hope you like the video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.